Welcome back to Pam's Blog Vibes. I'm Pam. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up this video. And I came on to show you guys what I am doing today. So let's check out what I'm doing today. So as you can see here, I need to get this room together. Sorry about the lighting, guys, but I need to get this room together. This is my office slash studio slash editing slash whatever's in here room. TV watching, game playing, everything. But as you can see, it is a disarray. So we need to pull it together and get it all nice and cleaned up. So let me show you what's going on. So my son plays game in here sometimes, so he got this going on. I need to put this away. I got all the remotes to different games going on. I want these speakers gone. I want this battery gone. I want all of this put away. Then we got this chair here. It needs to be put away. Then I got all of this going on. So we need to get all of that straightened out. Then I got Peter. Peter is growing all over the place. So I'm going to try to possibly cut her. They say that I can cut her here and put her in some water and she'll grow roots. And so if you see that, she is pretty long. So she is almost like a vine. So I'm going to take care of that. Then we got all of this going on. I got the sewing machine over here. I got this box, this package. I need to put that away. I have this air mattress where I had some company previously, and so that needs to be put away. As you can see, the pillows are in disarray, and so I need to get this desk cleaned off. These things must go, and so that is going on. So yeah, it is going to be a busy day. So guys, that's what's going to be going on. And then I still have several loads of laundry that I need to take care of. So I got that going on. And then I need to straighten up in the kitchen, put some things away, pay some bills today. So yeah, it's going to be a busy day. So let's get started. But first we're going to do what? Take care of some of these payments. So we're going to do that first. And I'm going to get me a cup of pineapple tea. So let's go. So guys, I got my pineapple slices in the water and it is simmering. It should be ready real soon. So I got my cup here. It's all set to go. And then I'm going to be adding some ground nutmeg for flavor and some ground cinnamon. I got my tea. I'm sitting. I'm just taking a quick break, and then I'm back to some laundry. I got some laundry going. I still got some floors drying, and so I'm gonna finish up this room. But I'm just taking a little pineapple tea break. Oh, it is so good, so good. So I'm all done with the room, and this is what it's looking like. So I think it's a job well done. I look forward to getting a new couch, a new sofa for this area. Everything is nice and clean. Everything is super neat. I will be changing the month on this calendar here. I did clean the memo board. I use this TV to watch YouTube. So overall, I think it was a complete success. I love it, love it. I'm super excited. Everything is nice and neat. The floors are clean and swept. Everything looks great. Really super nice. Yeah, guys. I'm back and I've had a very busy day. I did take care of the payments. I took care of that business. I cleaned the office area and gave it a good shine so it's sparkling, it's clean, it's fresh. I also had some delicious pineapple tea. It hit the spot. I did some laundry. I want to say I got 2 loads left and then it's a done deal. So I want to thank you guys for watching. It's about 11 o'clock at night. I'm going to end it here until the next video. Bye.